Hello, hello, hello.
Hello, peeps.
Diane and Breaux here.
I'm Randall. She's the Prescott Pickle Lady.
That is correct. We are your local mom and pop realtors.
Pop realtors.
Sure.
Yeah. Well,
That's
I guess
us.
so.
Yeah.
She's
Why
a
not?
mom. I'm a pop, I guess. Yeah.
We're parents.
Yeah, we're parents.
We can identify as that.
Yeah, absolutely.
But anyway, we live here in Prescott. We love it. We came here 7 years ago, have not looked back. We've gotten into real estate and we absolutely love it. We've met so many wonderful people. We've been in so many beautiful homes.
Yeah.
And one thing that we always mention when we go in with our buyers, there are certain houses that just hit you right in the heart as soon as you walk in. And it's the Zen feel.
Zen feel.
And we have been in multi-million-dollar homes. Does not feel Zen.
Yep.
And we've been in little tiny cottages that are very, low-priced homes that has the perfect
Has the Zen feel.
Zen.
Here's the thing. If
Yes.
a buyer describes your home as Zen, they're halfway to buying.
That's right.
If they use the Z word, they like it.
The Z word.
Yeah.
It's an emotional feeling.
Yes.
When people walk into a home, it's the emotion and the feelings that it evokes in them. Either it's a connection from a childhood home in the past, it's a smell from a home in the past, a happy time in their life, and it connects with them. And the key to Zen is it doesn't have to have Buddha statues.
No.
It doesn't have to be, although those are my favorite.
Yeah,
As
we
you
like
know,
them. Yeah.
I got a Buddha.
We got Buddhas.
I got a big fat wooden Buddha,
Yeah.
which I got
I don't
from
know
a
how
client.
Zen he is, but
I love him.
like
He
him.
makes me feel good.
Yeah,
I rub
makes
his
me feel
tummy
good.
every time I
Yeah,
leave for good
yeah.
luck. But anyway, it's really not just, whatever Buddhist chanting in the background. It's just a good feeling. What's the Danish word? Remember there's something?
Hygge.
Hygge.
Hygge
It's
is
same
more
as hygge too.
I don't know if I'm saying that right.
Cozy.
But it's like a cozy feeling. Yeah.
So we like hygge, we like Zen.
Zen.
And the key to all of those things, declutter.
Declutter.
Declutter. Honestly,
It's not
that's what
about
it's
the
about.
palette. It's
No.
not about the Buddhas. It's about simplicity.
Yes.
And people see a home that is simple but functional. You have everything you need and not a bit more.
Yep.
And there's space and it's a peaceful feeling, and people want to have that life. Now, they will buy your Zen home and they will fill it with all our trash, and it won't be very Zen.
Which is what we do.
Which is what we do.
What we've done.
Yeah. But in terms of selling, you're going for the Zen. Zen is
Get rid of the bric-a-brac.
yeah, the Zen is a good place to be.
Yeah, get rid of the bric-a-brac, get rid of anything extra. And I mean, I'm just as guilty as everybody
Yeah,
else.
we are.
I somehow, I have things from my parents' house, from my in-laws' house, from every person that has died. It somehow it lands in my house.
We also have two Malinois. I would not describe them as Zen.
They're not Zen.
Yeah.
No.
But when we're buying, we like Zen.
But yeah, when I go in a house
Yeah.
that is properly, just decluttered, it just feels so refreshing.
Yeah.
It feels like it doesn't, you know what it is? It doesn't feel chaotic.
Yes.
It's like this home is calm.
Yes.
This home is cool and collected.
Another key to Zen is a palette that coordinates throughout the home. Now, if you have kids, I want a purple room. You have some of that. But a home where all of the rooms may not necessarily be the same color, but it's on the same palette and all of the pictures go together. It gives a coordinated sort of harmony to the home that is Zen.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And it's a very calming thing. I love going in a house like that, especially when I'm showing 10 houses. And I go in one, it's like, I mean, you really feel it.
Yeah,
It's a real feeling. It's a visceral thing. I mean, you get in there and you're like, you know what I mean? You just feel it in your shoulders. So try hard to be Zen.
Yeah.
And Zen can be beautiful flowers and plants and, nature, a lot of
But
nature.
not too much of anything.
Yes,
Simple.
that's the key.
Not too much of
Not
anything.
too much of
Just
anything.
enough of everything.
That's it.
Yeah. And it could be a complete lie. You may not live that life. That might not be you. But we're telling you as buyer agents, if our clients say Zen, they're probably going to buy your home.
They're like, oh, I love it. I love
It's
how I
so zen.
feel.
Yes.
I love how I feel in
Yes.
this house. And that's how everyone should feel,
Yeah.
you know. So I'm working at it in my own house.
Yeah.
It's a work in progress.
It's a work in progress.
But I do appreciate a good Zen.
Yes.
What's the other word? Hoogie?
Hooga.
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 Yeah. Either one of those.
Yeah.
It makes me
Cozy.
feel good.
Yeah,
cozy. I dig it.
That's
I dig it.
That cozy's another good word.
Yeah. Okay, my friends. So I hope that you're planning a visit soon. I'd love to take you into some beautiful Zen hoogie houses. I like saying that. Hoogie houses.
Hoogie houses.
And show you what it's all about. So give us a call. Are you going to fill in here?
What am I filling in?
411.com.
Oh, the pickle411.com. I forgot.
What's wrong with you? Are you losing it?
I've lost my cube.
Yeah.
Yeah, if you want tips, the place to go is our free information site, pickle411.com. Doesn't matter if you're a buyer, seller, or somewhere in between, there's something waiting for you that will astound, amaze, inform, and delight. And it's all absolutely free, so
Yes.
go there right now.
Go there right now. Anyway, give us a call. Hope to hear from you soon. Take care and have a wonderful day. Bye.
Bye.